In this video, I'm going to show you how to use two Google accounts on one device. Begin by opening the browser on your device. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will display the current Google account that is logged in. To add another account, click on the Add Account option. If you already have a second account, enter its email address and password. Otherwise, you can create a new account by selecting Create Account. After entering the email address and password for your second account, you'll be prompted to complete a few additional steps, such as adding a home address, but you can skip that if it's not necessary. Once the second account is added, you will be logged into both accounts on the same browser. To switch between your accounts, click on the profile icon again. You'll see a list of all the accounts that are logged in. Click on the account you want to switch to, and you'll instantly be taken to that account. This method allows you to manage multiple Google accounts on a single device without having to log in and out repeatedly.